Notices seeking the removal of Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar were rejected due to a lack of evidence. Office of the Chief Election Commissioner. The Chief Election Commissioner (CEC) is the head of the Election Commission of India, a constitutional body established under Article 324 of the Constitution. The Commission is responsible for conducting free and fair elections to Parliament, state legislatures, and the offices of President and Vice President. Appointment of CEC. The CEC is appointed by the President of India as per the Chief Election Commissioner and other Election Commissioner Act 2023. The appointment is made on the recommendation of a selection committee comprising Prime Minister, Leader of the Opposition in the Lok Sabha, and one Union Cabinet Minister. This aims to bring transparency and balance in the election process. Tenure. The CEC holds office for a term of 6 years or until the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. The conditions of service cannot be varied to their disadvantage after appointment, ensuring independence. Powers and functions. The Election Commission headed by the CEC enjoys wide-ranging powers under Article 324. These include superintendence, direction and control of elections, preparation and revision of electoral rolls, conduct of free and fair elections, monitoring election expenditure and enforcing the Model Code of Conduct. The Commission also has plenary powers to act in areas where laws are silent, ensuring the integrity of the electoral process. Removal process. The removal of the CEC is similar to that of Supreme Court judge. Under Article 324(5), the Chief Election Commissioner can be removed only on ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. The process requires a motion passed in both houses of Parliament, a special majority of total membership, and 2/3 of members present and voting. This high threshold ensures institutional independence and protects the office from arbitrary removal. News summary. Rajya Sabha Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan and the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla rejected notices submitted by opposition MP seeking the removal of Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar. The presiding officers held that the opposition failed to provide sufficient proof and that the allegation did not establish a prima facie case of misbehavior, which is a constitutional requirement for removal. The notices were signed by 63 Rajya Sabha members and 130 Lok Sabha members and included 7 charges against the CEC. These charges were examined in detail and subsequently rejected. The presiding officer stated that the allegation either lacked evidence related to matters already adjudicated or were currently under judicial consideration. They emphasized that such issues did not meet the high constitutional bar required to indicate removal proceedings under Article 324(5) and 124(4). Allegations made against the CEC. Several specific allegations were addressed. Claims regarding the CEC's appointment being tainted were dismissed as the pendency of a legal challenge does not constitute misbehavior. Similarly, allegations of bias or differential treatment between the government and the opposition lacked demonstrable evidence. The refusal to share electoral data or provide machine-readable electoral rolls was found to be consistent with legal provisions and Supreme Court directions, including consideration of privacy under the Puttaswamy judgment. Issues related to the Special Intensive Revision (SIR) of electoral rolls were also examined. Basis of rejection of the allegations. The presiding officers reiterated that the Election Commission has plenary powers under Article 324 and that the Supreme Court has affirmed its competence in such matters. Allegations of contempt of court and lack of institutional independence were rejected as either failing under judicial jurisdiction or being vague and unsupported by evidence. Overall, the decision reinforced the constitutional safeguards surrounding the office of the CEC and highlighted the stringent standards required to initiating removal proceedings.